Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to talk about the YOKEKON outdoor cordless fan and I am going to review this product today. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button below so you will get the latest updates.
In this review, we have the coolest product of the summer, and in this hot weather, we have to think of new and innovative ways to stay cool. So, to remain cool, here I ordered the YOKEKON cordless outdoor fan. Now I am going to show you what's inside this package, and I am going to open these parts out. Here you can see the main body of the fan, the blade, the front and back all in one piece. This fan is so handy and lightweight, and it's a coffee bean color. It comes with charging cord, so you can charge your fan battery. Once the battery is fully charged, you can take the fan anywhere you want. And this is the hook they provided, so you can hang or mount on the wall. It also comes with the handy remote control, so you can operate the fan effortless. And here you can find the warranty card of this product and the user manual. Here you can find the fan tripod. When you extend the tripod, it can reach about 37 inches in a fully open state. If you don't extend the tripod, it will be about 29 inches as you can see in the picture. Here you can see this fan have a control panel where you can control the functionality of the fan like speed, rotation, timer and light, and also it has a 7 blades and the performance of the fan is excellent. Let's see how to attach the body of the fan to the tripod. Here you can see the charging point of the fan, and you can charge the fan and it shows how much percentage it is charged. This fan can provide the comfortable airflow as soft as natural cool. This fan is a great fit for the bedroom, living room, patio or for the office desk. You can adjust the fan intensity by using this remote control. That's so easy. This cordless fan can adjust the angle from 0 to 60 degree vertically and the left to right 90 to 150 degree auto oscillation to cover everyone. This fan is also included a night light functionality. This night light is soft and does not hurt your eyes and does not affect your sleep. When the tripod is removed, it can be transferred to a desk fan. It's so cool. It's too hot here, no wind.
Don't worry, I have a solution for that. Okay, we have an YOKEKON new fan which will make you a wind like a natural wind. Okay?
Oh, is it?
Yes. Don't wait a second. I will bring it from the car. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I think it's a very nice wind, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can control through remote also, which is very helpful.
This is excellent fan.
Yeah, that's a good fan too.
Yeah.
So, Tanisha, do you like the fan?
Yes.
Yes. So nice. Yeah. Yeah, very nice chill weather to chill out. And there is no wind.
Please find the product link into the description box below, and to my all viewers, please use this code to get the discount. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.